Coachman Park was alive that Independence Day. Red, white, and blue were waving in the breeze. Families together, united and free. America was celebrating 250 years. A nation built on courage through triumphs and tears. Music filled the air, the crowd began to sing. Freedom echoed everywhere like church bells ringing. I sent my drone into the bright blue sky, watching history from way up high. The harbor sparkled, the people smiled, a moment every American child. America 250, together we stand from sea to shining sea across this land. Hands on our hearts beneath the evening light, united forever on the 4th of July. The stars were rising, the flags flew high. Freedom lived forever beneath our sky. Every heartbeat, every smile we shared reminded us how much this country cares. Loud music echoed through the park all night. Children laughing underneath the lights. Friends and neighbors gathered side by side, sharing hope and American pride. My drone kept flying over every street, capturing thousands gathered to meet. The waterfront was filled as far as I could see. One nation celebrating liberty. Then the sun slowly disappeared beyond the bay. Golden colors faded into shades of gray. The crowd grew larger with every passing minute. Everyone knew the grand finale was in it. Thousands of people waited patiently below, looking toward the sky, ready for the show. Then the fireworks painted heaven bright, red, white, and blue across the night. Every explosion lit another smiling face, a perfect ending in this special place. America 250, forever we'll remember. The spirit of freedom burns like an endless ember. From Clearwater Harbor to skies so wide, hope and liberty standing side by side. Hope and liberty. Whoa, my drone came home as the last sparks fell, carrying memories no words could tell. Coachman Park, a night we'll always know, where freedom, family, and fireworks stole the show.